Hello everyone, my name is Deshanes by grade 1 faith student. Made an astronaut costume using recycled materials like boxes and plastics, paper and white socks. Recycled materials raises awareness about climate change and space exploration. Astronauts study Earth's changing climate from space and environmental challenges like global warming, deforestation, and ocean pollution. It inspires children to create their own recycled craft, fostering a lifelong commitment to sustainability. Thank you.